Well, today we're going to try and clean the chimney, of all things. So the first thing you do, obviously, you get on the roof, and what I'm using is a piece of chain, this chain here, and that'll clean all the creosote from the inside of the chimney. And that is really important because there'll be a lot of creosote in there. So, and the next thing is standing up on the roofie. Oh, surprisingly enough, we'll just put that there for the time being. And then I thought this would be really thick of creosote. Okay, you can go in now, Anne. Anne's going to go in and see, make sure that there's no soot comes out of their wood stove. So what I'm doing is just kind of properly hitting. I thought there would be a lot of creosote all around the chimney. I'm really happy that there hasn't. There's not, but this hasn't been cleaned for a long time. Anne, you tell us when it gets into the wood stove, will you? Okay.
Yeah, it's down there.
Okay. Okay. Good. And so, well, that was easy. That wasn't bad. I was expecting it to be really full of creosote. So now that I know that there's not tons of creosote in there, I can get my regular chimney cleaning brushes and clean the chimney. Next thing to do is, once the chain's been all the way down there, then you take your chimney pipe off. Then I'm going to use the chimney brushes. We can get these little screws out here. I have to separate the chimney, this part here, because that's got a damper in it. And we need to push the brushes all the way down the flue. So, and I'll tell you what, this chimney pipe's in kind of sorry state. We might need to replace it, which is not a big deal because it's not very expensive. Nothing more there. Alright, so now that that's done, so you can see that's the damper there. See if I can get it to release. There's something going on here. Alright, next thing is just slide out the wood stove. Yeah, very carefully. Okay, the next thing to do is to push down one of these chimney sweeping brushes, and then we'll add pieces as we need them. Hang on, somebody's escaping there. Okay, there we go. It looks like this brush is specially made. You can see it's going down, get a little bit dirt and dust there, but that's okay. Am I there?
Yeah, I think you're there.
Hang on, do let us a bit more. Am I in the bag now?
No.
So I'm not there yet, is that right?
No, you're not in the bag, but you're close to the opening.
Okay. Am I in the bag now?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so I'm doing this and twisting, and that's working great. Now, Anne says I'm through to the bottom. Okay, is this stuff fell down into the bag?
Yes.
A lot?
Not tons. Maybe you could do it again or something.
Okay then. Okay, we're going to give it another. I'm so happy. I thought this chimney was going to be totally knackered. Tell us when I get to the bag, will ya? Okay. What was that? Something fell off somewhere. Okay, I'm going to add another piece here. Make sure it's well screwed in there. Okay, well that's it. By the way, Anne's not in the chimney, she's at the bottom inside the house, in case anybody was thinking those thoughts. Okay, right, and that is how one cleans a chimney. Now what I did was I tied a rope around myself and onto something solid on the ground, so in case I did slip, we wouldn't have a problem. So now I'm just going to pull all this stuff over, move this out of the way, and we'll see what happens next. Let me see that reach. Okay, I'll take this stuff here, and these fellows. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is clean the cap off. See, I'm coming down now, so I've got to clean the chimney cap off. Oh. So did much dirt come down there?
A fair amount, yeah.
Wow, excellent.
About as much as was in the demonstration.
I don't remember that.
I mean, it didn't seem like it was a lot, but that was the chimney that we were going, oh, that was huge.
Yeah.
I mean, but anyways, it's still, so should I add?
Alright, next thing to do now is to use this wire brush and clean off the chimney cap. Strangely enough, that was the part that had the most soot and dirt in it, which is great. Now this is carbon. We're in a garden. What does that mean? It'll be good for the garden, right? Oh, yeah, see, that's, there you go. Some nasty stuff in there. Nasty, nasty. Outside. I don't know how to go on knackered like this. We might have to get a new one. But it's worth cleaning it off for sure. I just made a wood stove and I was concerned that the chimney might catch fire because we haven't cleaned the chimney in about, what, 20 years? 20 years, and so we were both very concerned. You don't want your house burning down there. No. What else? What else? That's funny how that's all knackered though on the inside. Okay, that looks alright. Now that's alright. Probably replace that and put a new one up there, but for the time being we're just going to use this. And that's the inside of the stovepipe from the old stove. That's not too bad.